with the 40. Okay, we're gonna roll this one. Pick up the smaller beads. And place it right in the nails. We did it the top coat already, so then the top coat and cure for 30 seconds. What purpose of the top coat? And we cure for 30 seconds to let it really like set, so then you're not worried about messing up with your chrome and your weaver gels underneath. Also, it will give it a really good base and grip for your 40 gel, so then your 40 gel is not going to not stick on you. It will, but then you want to cure the top coat for only 30 seconds, so it's not full cure. We're gonna cure full completely full cure in a little bit. So here's my funky colors. I got it from my subscription box, November subscription box. A lot of you will get the funkies. A lot of you will get like emerald. A lot of you will get yellow sun. A lot of you will get I try to name it frozen, because it has 27 colors. I remember a lot of colors, and sometimes I might miss one or two, but you will have so much fun no matter what, or whatever colors you are going to get. So I'm go ahead and using my dual end 3D brush. I have it for a long time. You can see that how it lasts. And it dual end, so one end I'm using it for a 3D acrylics liquid and powder flowers. Here's something is the best thing about the 40 gel is not going to set to dry until you are going to cure. So I have all the time in the world to really creative exactly the flowers I would like. And you see that some of the Glitz BAs created 40 gel, using 40 gel, and created so many different nail art too. So what we're doing, we're going to separate it right in the middle, that the beads, you pick up a little bit smaller of the 40 gels and you roll as the smaller beads. If you want the flower to be bigger, you can get your beads a little bit bigger. Give it a couple times, you know exactly what side of the flower you would like to. And then you'll press it out really gentle. You don't have to go really aggressive. And you don't have to make the first petal to be perfect. So we're going to do it, press down. And spread it right in the middle right there, and go in the left, and then press it down, let's go into the right, press it down, and let's go. And you can using the tip of the dual 3D brush, and you can draw this end of the petal to the way you want it to make it look soft, look like a natural look. And you will never, I promise you will never go wrong with this. If you go wrong, always can get it back up and do it again. But I'm having so much fun with the 40 gel, and it absolutely is so easy. I wish this had happened like 20 years ago, so I won't have to be struggling with doing a 3D flowers. This is make it so much easier, either for beginners or for you are doing at home. You're gonna have so much fun. So press it down, release, press it down, release. And a lot of you was at the trade show with us for our past 2 trade show. When we came back in the trade show, you will see that you did it right at the booth. It's, oh my god, it's so easy. So have fun. I know you got this. Just press it down. Don't go too aggressive, just really gentle, press down, and that's it. Is that how you get that super simple, easy is petal right here. And then you can continue to doing it flat if you want to. I'm just blending this one because we want to put some either the crystal here or bead here, however you would like. The clients like don't want any crystal, the clients just want beads, you add it on for them. So I'm gonna flash you really quick for about probably 30 seconds. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and getting the emerald, just a couple beads, because I'm gonna get a couple beads for the leaf. You can go a darker leaf as using a deep green. Somehow I didn't have it here. I must have it somewhere. Or you can mix 2 colors together to create the colors that you want. Okay, I'm gonna pick the smaller beads. So these beads, it'll be a little bit smaller than what the beads that I create for petals. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and press it down, just really gentle, and spread on the left and on the right. And also the same thing. You can do so many leaf as you prefer. It doesn't have to be in ones like me. I just share with you with the concept, so then you can create so many different look. And there's so many different flower designs that I did, and you can definitely check it out on ours video. I saved them all there on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, also TikTok for your preference. Okay, so now I'm going ahead and clear this for a quick 30 seconds, and then we're gonna go in to add a little bit of crystal on. Okay, let me show you the trifecta right there. So a lot of questions were asking on the shows, at the shows, and also on the DM online as well. What do I use doing adheres a crystal? I have literally crystal as 2 weeks ago, and my nails growing out, but none of them came off at all. Starting you know, working and packing for the shows and setting up and breakdown, my nails didn't lose even one crystal. And that's gonna be the bestie at your desk, your station, next to all your crystal kits. So this is condensed glue gel, really thick density to adhere your crystal properly, and then it's gonna go. You can use it for even the 3D crystal, also flat back crystal charm chains, and all the metal charms. And the no wipe top coat is really flexible, it's scratch resistant, and it's flexible, that compatible with condensed glue gel, so then your crystal not gonna come up because it's so flexible. And the precision glue gel wanna go in it, especially in this month. You are getting a precision glue in your, you know, inside of your subscription box. And this precision glue gel, you see 1,000 of video I share with you, that you're gonna be able to go into all the cracks and the edges of the crystal if you're missing it with any spot that one will put the crystal on. So those I'm gonna show you right now. So we'll start with the first step, which is condensed glue gels. And here's the nails that we did it 40 gels, and it's all dry, so you do not need to do anything at all. You don't have to top coat it on, well, unless you want to, or if you want to encapsulate on the top with the crystal clear when you're doing a liquid and powder, absolutely stunning as well. So condensed glue gel, we are going to pick up smaller amount, not too much, not too much and not too little. In this one, I am using the other end of crystal picker, which is the dot tool. You can also using a twin tip brush, but when there's some smaller details, I using a dot tool to give me a like more precise instead of getting the condensed glue gels everywhere. So I'm gonna getting in the smaller area right there, and then it's right here. Okay, and now can you wipe it off for me, please? And now I'm go ahead and using my twin tip brush for the larger area. I think I need this one wipe out too. Somehow get some gel on it. Okay. So I am go ahead and getting more condensed glue gels, but not too much, not too little. You can see how much I'm using. You can always get more as you need it, but however, the condensed glue gel really thick density, so you don't want to using it too much. Too much is gonna flood your crystal. Also, too little is not going to adhere your crystal properly. So if you need it more, you can add some more your condensed glue gel. It's gonna be a really thick condensed glue gel, so you don't need a whole lot. Okay, so I'm gonna close that, and don't forget to apply the no wipe top coat. We are applied right on the top to you know that when you have the finish with the condensed glue gel, just have the the tacky layer. So then the top coat will cover everything, and also the top coat will be in a double secure when you're adding your crystal on. To give it more flexibility for your crystals when you apply that. I mean, for the holding the crystal down. So I applied it on floating right on the top of the condensed glue gel. So now I'm gonna using the crystal pickers, and we are going to use my pickers. All right, there's some cute frame. I'm adding on just right in the joints of the leaves, the petals, and of course, I'm probably gonna really go into the really like the pumpkin spike though. I'm looking at a frame. Looks really fall. And also you can add the frame first before you are going to put the crystal down, or you can do it just as is. It's up to you what colors you prefer. I think any colors you place it on, it's gonna be beautiful because the fall looks. I'm gonna add a couple more on the one more. I love this glow in the dark. I have it right here in my hands. I got it from my glow in the dark crystal kits. Put some beads in there. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. I don't look up because I can't see well. No glasses. I'm gonna get my glasses soon. Back soon, I mean. Ah, looks cute. I'm gonna add a couple right here. Where's my AB come from? I think this one needs to be cleaning on it. In the tip. Yeah, I did it in the foil. Remember? Alright, I don't know about you. I don't know how it's under the camera, but I'm so obsessed with this look. Turned out not bad at all. And it's super easy. For my subscription box, of course, I have the emeralds that I had it. But if you don't have emerald, you have a deep green, it's going to turn out great as well. So, alright, I'm so happy with this. If I don't stop, I'm going to keep going.